Hey, hey, Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate percentages in Microsoft Excel. Now, I'd like to first give a shout out to one of my subscribers. His name is John, and he specifically asked for this tech tip. So thank you, John. If you would like to request a specific tech tip, please just do so using the comments below. All right, with that, let's dig in. Okay, so here I am in Microsoft Excel. Now, what I'm looking at here is the tuition income for Brian Sensei's School of Rock, which is an amazing school, by the way.
And the legend of the rich was way hardcore. Yeah! Now we're rocking.
Anyways, what we have here is we have quarterly tuition income. All right, so what I want to do here is I want to figure out the percentage change between each quarter. So the first thing I'm going to do is calculate the amount of change in dollars. So I'll do that by clicking here in row 7, column C, so C7. I'm going to type the equal sign. And what I need to do is I need to subtract quarter 2 from quarter 1. So I can click here on quarter 2, which is B7, or you could type in B7. Then I'm going to type in the subtraction symbol. Then we want to subtract quarter 1, so this is B6. You can either click on it or type it in, and then just hit enter on your keyboard. And boom shakalaka, we have the monetary difference between quarter 1 and quarter 2. Now, to quickly copy this down to all of the cells, I'm going to go ahead and move my cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell, click, hold, drag, and let go. And boom shakalaka, it repeats the formula for me, automatically updating the necessary cell values. All right, now notice here that the sales dropped here between quarter 3 and quarter 4 of last year, and that's why it is represented here in red. This doesn't happen by default, so what you can do is select your values, right click, go to Format Cells, and here you can choose how you want negative numbers to be displayed. Okay, so now that we have our monetary change from quarter to quarter, we can now do our percentage change. So I'm going to click here on cell D7 and type in the equal sign. Now here what we want to do is we want the percentage change of this value in C7. So you can click on it or type in C7. And then we want to divide. So I'll type in the / for divide. And we're dividing this from quarter 1. So we can click on B6 or type it in and hit enter. So what we can see there is we have 46% change from quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2022. All right, now we can also click and drag bottom right corner, let go to copy those formulas all the way down. Now on the percentages, you might want to change the formatting of this. You can select the columns and you can either go up here to show this value as a number or as a percentage. And here you can actually adjust your decimals as well. So here we can see that we did a pretty good job of increasing revenue each quarter until we got to quarter 4. We had a drop of 18%, but then we recovered by increasing by 33% in quarter 1 of 2023. All right, that is how you calculate percentage change in Microsoft Excel. I hope that this was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in comments if there's a specific video that you would like to have created. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.